to solve problem on somatic cell hybridization. So if you have a crystal clear idea about somatic cell hybridization theory, that will be easier for you to solve such kind of a problem. And here is the problem. There are three somatic hybrid cell lines given, that is designated as X, Y and Z, have been scored for the presence or absence of chromosome 1 through B, as well as for their ability to produce hypothetical gene products decodes as capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D that are shown in the following table. Then after, this table shows cell lines X, Y, Z and their presence and absence in the human chromosome. So based on this information, we have to answer that which option is correct, that is assigned chromosomes for each of the given genes. Now in the table, first column shows hybrid cell lines X, Y and Z. Second column is human chromosomes that are present. There are total 8 chromosomes given. And the third column is gene products expressed. These gene products are capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D. Now, can you find some similarities in between them? For an example, gene products, that is gene D, product D is expressed in all cell lines X, Y and Z, and that's why plus sign indicates. Now we have to find out a number of chromosome number in which this product is expressed similarly in all these three X, Y, Z cell lines. So product D is expressed in X, Y, Z, as well as we can find out chromosome number first chromosome in which this gene products is expressed in all three cell lines. So it indicates that D is present on first chromosome. Now gene product A is only present on cell line Y and Z. So we have to find out chromosome number in which this gene product or else that is present on both the cell lines. So yes, we can find out fifth chromosome in which that is expressed on both Y as well as Z cell line. So it clearly indicates that gene product A is present on fifth chromosome. Now similarly, product B is expressed in cell line X as well as cell line Z, that is plus sign indicate. So we have to find out the number of chromosome in which this gene product is present and expressed in X as well as Z cell lines. So yes, we can find out here 1, 2, third chromosome in which this gene products is expressed on X as well as Z chromosome. So obviously it clearly indicates that gene product B is present on third chromosome. Whereas about product C, that is none of the product C is present on X, Y and Z cell line. So it is not present on XYZ cell line. So we can find out number 8 chromosome in which it indicates that product C is not present on XYZ chromosome. That means there are chances that product C is present on 8th chromosome. Now try to match option answers with the answers we get from the table. Gene A is on the chromosome number 5. So yes, gene A is on chromosome number 5. Gene B is on chromosome number 3. Yes, gene B is on chromosome number 3. And gene D is on first chromosome. Yes, gene D is on first chromosome. So option D is the correct answer for this question. So I hope you will able to solve such kind of problems. If my videos are helpful in your studies, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.